that 24 hours is not adequate for organizing and doing all the work what you have? So today we are going to discuss to prioritize the needs of our life. Welcome to Twins World, all about parenting. I'm Dr. Sindhu Thomas, discussing the topic what is told much before. We need to understand that prioritizing the needs of us every day is very mandatory because we are parents. So today's talk is more for the parents because as parents we are struggling with time and we feel that we are not able to sleep adequately, we are not able to engage in other activities, as well as I would say sometimes our basic needs are also compromised because of taking care of children, taking care of the family and other responsibilities of the house. Now let's see what is a priority means. Priority can be a desire or a concern or an activity which needs first attention compared to others. If you see our life till we are getting married or when our education is going on, our education is the first priority and all our activities like fun or the co-curricular activities, everything has time. We had time to roam around, everything went very smooth. But once you get married, your spouse also came into a priority list. More than spouse, her or his family also came into the priority list. So already a little mess can happen in the priority or the comfort zone what we made before our marriage. Once kids started coming in our life, things all the more worse. We really don't know where to start with, and we can really see especially the new mothers and new fathers are literally struggling or confused where to stand and how to do, and by the end of the day they lack their sleep, they lack their food, and they were literally suppressed or craving for the things what they need to have in their life. So these priorities help to set a boundary for your needs, wants, responsibilities, duties, so that you know what to do first and how to finish the activities in the limited time what is given. Also prioritizing the needs of our life reduce the burnout feeling what we can have in our daily life, especially those who are working people. Let's see what are some of the priorities of our life. According to me, the family play an important role. Family is a good priority, whereas my health is a priority, work is a priority, my friends are a priority, I can have the recreation as the one of the priority, or even my basic care or self-care of my body can be a priority. So I can prioritize my things based on what I want to have first in life. So let's see how we can practice this prioritizing the needs of a person's life. First and foremost is we need to understand that we should have a mission in our life. I mean to say it's a long run plan. What I want means how Sindhu want to be within a period of 5 years, 10 years. I may need to reduce my weight so that I can take steps so that I can improve my weight gain or my figure, or if I feel that I need to improve my oratory skills, then I can think of working more on my communication skills so that I can speak better. So these are some of the examples where I can put much on my mission statement of a life. Usually all the institution has, but I prefer all of us can have. In another words or simple terms, I can say that I have my own principles where I need to stand for so that I am clear where I'm heading to. I'm not copying someone. I know where I'm going, and if I know it's correct, even if my neighbor or my immediate person is not adjusting or recognizing, I'm able to foresee my future and move forward. Another important aspect to prioritize is our physical health. Physical health plays an important role because unless we are physically fit, we cannot be productive. Even our sleep can play an important role for our physical health the food what I'm eating, the more I'm physically fit, my approach towards others is also good, and I can be a best worker or a good employer in my workplace. Next important aspect I would like to prioritize is the quality time what I'm giving to my family. Even if both parents are working, whatever time you're giving half an hour, 1 hour with the family, if it is productive or it is filling all the needs and satisfying our children and our parents, I would say you are really prioritizing your family. Do not give undue importance to work and take the quality time of family for the work or anything else, because this will take out or drain out the energy what our family has. Now the important aspect of prioritizing is our mental health. Mental health is mandatory nowadays because of COVID. Also, we know that how much mental health is important, and whatever is surrounding us or surrounding us is draining our energy and our thought process. So mental health also plays an important role so that I can give better and I can have my own inner peace very cool and calm. Now the important point coming under mental health is avoid toxic relationship, because toxic relationship really drains. Remove unwanted people and the people with negativity from us so that the positivity can be retained and we can work better for a betterment of my mental health. If my mental health is good enough, I'm able to develop different coping strategies in terms of all conditions. If someone is screaming at you, you won't scream back. If things are going for a chaos, you won't be panicked. So this way you are able to keep yourself calm and stern in terms of violent storms what can happen in home as well as in workplace. So these are some of the things we should understand. Nevertheless, the financial stability is also another important aspect we need to prioritize when we talk about a family, because it's not only my needs to be taken care, it's my spouse need, my children's need, everything need to be done. So I should have an expenditure based on the what the income what I'm gaining per month. So these are some of the facts I should analyze while I'm prioritizing my life, and always prioritizing help us to understand the value of the time and the quality of time I can give to my family. Hope this session was good enough, and this is the way I tune myself so that I can do a variety of things even though I'm able to give quality time to my children. Till we meet next week with another good topic, be happy and be safe. Thank you.